Okay, so I'm going to be doing one of the most annoying sounds that I've ever heard. Um, it's really easy to do, well, for me. Just have to make like a little O with your hands, stick your pinky up, and put it to your mouth and say "girl." um, yeah, it gets really annoying after a while. My friend does it too, and does it really loud and high pitched. So, just try it, and it's really easy, and it gets on people's nerves a lot because I do that with my friends. And if you get really good at it, you can do this without your hands, but I can't do that yet. So, thanks for watching, and learn how to do an annoying sound. Bye.